Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you on how to declare while loop statement in Java programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So I'm using online GDB as my Java compiler. We have here public class main, public static void main. It is the starting point of every Java program. And then I declare a variable a which has an initial value of 1. So initial value while a less than or equals to 10. Conditional statement, we have your system out.print double quotation a, double quotation, and a plus plus to increment by 1. So when we run, we have here 1 to 10. If we want to change the value, let's say we have 1 to 20, and then we click the run button here, so it will display 1 up to 20. That's it. That's the very simple way on how to declare a while loop statement in Java programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new in my channel by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.